if you're looking for a gimbal that has the power and the price that you're looking for, the Crane 4E just might be the one. Let's get into it. Welcome back to We Shoot Films, where I teach content creation, filmmaking, Unreal Engine, and also do product reviews that help support all of those topics. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe. Today, I got the new Crane 4E from Zhiyun from their line of Centipede, and it's an amazing gimbal. They sent it out for a review. All my words are my own, so let's get into it. First, let's start off with some specs. Now, the Crane 4E is a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. And what I also love about it, it's easy to go from horizontal to vertical, no problem. It also has an integrated quick release system that's cool. Now, my favorite thing about this is the Bluetooth shutter control. I just love that, but we'll talk more about that later. Now, the battery life is amazing. It gives you 12 hours. And let's just say for some reason you start to get low, you can still use it and charge it at the same time. Now, for charging, you can charge this thing in 2 hours if you got a PD charger at 25 watts at least. That's dope. Now, along with the gimbal, the accessories that come with it are the lens support, screws, cables, tripod, the upper and lower quick release plate, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you don't know what a gimbal is, basically a gimbal is something that's going to make sure that you get nice and stable footage, all right? If you need to do any walking or running, anything like that where you need stable footage, this is going to do it for you. Right now, as you see, I have the FX30 with the Tamron 2875 lens attached to it, giving me no issues, no problems. It's smooth, it's great. I also, just to test it out, I put my Blackmagic Pocket 4K, and it also did no problems, handled it easy. This thing has a crazy dope payload. And that's why you want to get it. This thing is going to pretty much cover almost anything reasonably that you can throw at it. Now, this is the Weebill 3E, okay? This is the 4E, this is the 3E. Now, this thing could pretty much do the same thing that this does. All right, it's just the 4E has a bigger payload, but the 3E, again, is still a great gimbal. If you need something small and simple, hey, this will work for you too. But having this, it's gonna just deal with any scenario, any situation. You're pretty much good because this is a monster, all right? But they both are great gimbals. I'm not gonna go crazy showing the difference between both of them because there's no difference. There's just one can handle more than the other. All right. So, but if you're interested, this will be in the description as well. The 3E. The feel of this is so good. I'm telling you, the way they created this, it looks expensive. It looks like money, feels like money. The craftsmanship is amazing on this thing. I personally like the colors. Some people don't like these colors. They'll say they want it all black or something. I don't mind it. It kind of gives a nice, it looks good to me. As far as what's on the actual gimbal, now this is where you would hook up your camera with the cable that they give you. It's just a USB-C cable, but they'll give you that and you can charge the camera while using this. So this will be charging your camera, but remember, because this is also charging it, it's gonna be less than 12 hours, so remember that, okay? But who cares? You can attach something and keep it running all day long because you can still use it while you're charging it, you know what I mean? The screen in the back is great. As you see, you can just roll right through it. It reacts very well to your touch, and it has everything that you need on it. Right here is the roll. I got it. That's another. Let's talk about that. I'll be all over the place. Let's talk about that. You could basically change everything however you want it. You know what I'm saying? Like if you want this to do something else, you can make it do something else. If you want things to control the ISO, shutter, zoom, focus, it all can do it based off what you want to do it. And that's what I love about Zhiyun. They make great professional equipment that still has a budget to it, but still is very pristine and very professional. You know what I'm saying? But you can change everything based off how you want it. Me, I keep it simple, so I don't really change nothing. But right now, I do have this doing this, and then you got the top here where you can click it 3 times and it'll look at you and go back. And if for some reason it's out of whack, you can hit twice and it'll come back to its original state. Then on the side here, you have your power. Don't gotta explain that. Right here, you got your scroll, which you can also change. Like I said, you can change everything. Down here is where your power is for charging the internal battery, the USB-C. And then right here, I think they call these, I always forget, Rosette or whatever. Down here, you can buy accessories. They got the sling grip and I believe the wrist rest or whatever like that. You can get the accessories for these separately in order to get that stuff there. Then if you keep turning, you got the joystick here, all right? You got this button here, which lets you go through your modes, okay? Your pan follow, lock, follow, stuff like that. And this is my favorite feature, okay? Let me turn on the camera. This is my favorite feature. I keep it simple, all right? If you got it hooked up to Bluetooth, it's easy to connect to the Bluetooth. Trust me, it's easy. But if you just press it, not too hard, but just press it a little, you see it's focusing, all right? And then when you're ready to record, you just press it hard, and as you see, it's recording. You know what I mean? I love that about this. I really do. It's the simple things that make me happy. Look at that. Yeah, that's dope. Now, you can't take this out and place it on this side so that it's vertical, so you can shoot vertically. It's easy, it's simple, but you're gonna have to rebalance it. And it's not that hard, okay? It really isn't that hard. But I say, why do that when you could just do this, all right? Just go to your modes right here. All right, these come with it too. I love these little tripod legs. Go to mode and just go all the way down to portrait. And as you see, it just changed it. And now you have portrait mode. And you can just shoot your portrait stuff. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. And then when you finish, have it come right back. To me, that's the easiest way. That's how I do it. But if you want to, you can take it out, put it on this side, and you got to rebalance it. This way you don't have to rebalance it, but it's on you. So you can buy the accessory for this, the extra sling grip or whatever they call this, in order to give your wrist more support while you're holding it. I think it's a great accessory. I'll put it in the description below. I'm probably going to purchase it myself, to tell you the truth. So that's all. I just wanted to check that out. You see this right here? It says Zhiyun. Now, they ain't send me this. This is old, all right? These got batteries. We have to throw these batteries up in there. Right here. This is the Crane 2. And this bad boy still works. Now, this is back when they didn't have any locks for this, and it's just all sloppy everywhere, and you know what I'm saying? But technically, this thing still works, you know? And so, you know, I'm just saying, I've been a fan of Zhiyun, you know, with their gimbals forever. I love their lights too, but this is back when they mostly just did this. And that's all. I just wanted to show y'all, you know, I still got the Crane 2. And this bad boy's still amazing. You know, I love the way it looks still, and it's that old. I usually got a handle with it that I place here, and so I'm like that. But that's it. This isn't even about this. I just wanted to show it. There you go. This would be nice for the Crane 4E if this could fit. Come on, Zhiyun. I need a case like, you know, nice little case for my Crane 4E. Let's get to it. All right. So who is this for? This is for people who shoot music videos and weddings and events and on the running guns real fast. It's not really probably meant for people like me that do a lot of indoor stuff like this, but sometimes it is necessary. So I always keep it on deck just in case I need it, because there do come them times when I do need it. So when I need it, I got it. But it's more for, I would just still say, running gun commercial freelancers. Not really. It's not really necessary if you're just in the studio all the time. But like I said, better to have it than not have it. Is there any pros or cons? Pros. The biggest pro I would have to say is just the payload is amazing. It just is. It can handle pretty much anything reasonably that you can throw at it. It does everything that the other one did, the Weebill 3E. It does everything that the Crane 4 does, except that you're not spending so much money just because it got a light in the front. Who cares about the light? That's ugly anyway. You never want to do front lighting usually in any professional capacity, so don't worry about that. If you're trying to get the Crane 4, get the Crane 4E. It's way better and cheaper, all right? But, in cons, it's a little heavy, but it's gonna hold a bigger payload. That's part of the, the world of creating, working with a gimbal. It doesn't have a case. I don't like that. It comes in a cardboard case. I mean, something like this, as beautiful as it is, should have a case. But that's about the only con that I have. So if you're looking for this, make sure to use the link in the descriptions below. I appreciate it. Helps the channel a little bit and no extra cost to you. If you're looking for the 3E, need something simple, or you're looking for something like the 4E that's going to cover everything that you can throw at it pretty much, I would say, they're great purchases, and they're definitely something that's needed. So if you're looking for it, I got you. Also, Zhiyun is doing 10% off. I don't know how long it's going to last, but if you use the code below, you can get 10% off also. Other than that, Zhiyun, appreciate you supporting the channel. And that's about it, y'all. So subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.